and alignment. They got this huge rack right here. Look at that.
Four-wheel alignment is an essential aspect of your vehicle maintenance. It helps with vehicle longevity, helps with safety and handling. Save money on tire tread wear, suspension getting worn out, and just making sure that the car feels great when running.
Preventative maintenance, right?
Yes, sir. It'll save you tons of money in the long run. So it is recommended you want to get at least 2 alignments done a year.
I have my promo code teslafpv with EVs Republic, so you can come here, you can go online, you can call them, whatever works best for you. Thank you, EVs Republic.
Right, so here we got our technician taking off the battery. Go ahead and remove the under shields that are covering a bunch of the components here. We drain the coolant that goes to the battery. And after we get those off, we get the mounting bolts for the battery itself off. The battery comes straight down.
At EVs Republic, you can take a look at how Tesla looked like without the battery. So if we come underneath here, I'm inside, I'm outside, I'm inside, I'm outside. This is what your car looks like without the battery in it. You wanna see what the battery looks like? It's right here.
A few different components that exist here.
You can see all the high voltage wiring, all the orange, got all of this high voltage orangeness. What a Tesla battery looks like on the inside. This is what you're left with.
Compared to Tesla, what we can do here is we actually do individual testing once we open it up to see how bad the battery is. Here we got the system that pretty much communicates with the vehicle. Burnt contactor is versus a non-burnt one.
I have a 2023 Model 3.
Watch out for curbs.
How much does a diagnostic for something like this cost?
Do a repair, a replacement, or if both are on the table. We could get it done in as little as the day. Car's coming up, the battery's staying down.
The Tesla is about to birth a battery. Oh! Wow.
Ta-da!
We're about to see a once-in-a-lifetime kind of thing here at EVs Republic. First, they're gonna put it in service mode like this one. This is what an open battery pack looks like. They're literally working on cars all over the place. They're running high voltage lines out. Look at that.
Always have the second opinion. This is the small cell inside the battery. Open the battery, we have to manually inspect, and this is the #1 preventive action you need to do with your cars. So basically, we don't need even to have a car here to fix your battery. Disassemble it, reapply it,